Welcome friends, my name is Mai. Today we are making delicious vegetarian tacos and burritos. For this recipe, you will need whole wheat tortillas, taco shells, extra firm tofu. To season the tofu, you will need vegetable broth and taco seasoning. For the burrito and taco sauce, you will need cilantro, half white onion, garlic cloves, jalapeno seeds removed, diced tomatoes, kosher salt, black pepper, and lime juice. Begin by making the sauce. In a food processor, combine cilantro, half white onion, garlic cloves, jalapeno, diced tomatoes, kosher salt, black pepper, and lime juice. Now slice the tofu into bite-sized cubes. Now we're ready to pan fry the tofu. In a large pan over high heat, add canola oil, lightly pan fry the tofu until golden brown. Now combine the vegetable broth and taco seasoning. Add to the cooked tofu. Once the sauce begins to boil, reduce to low heat. Simmer for 15 minutes or until the sauce evaporates. Now bake the taco shells and warm the tortillas. Now we're ready to make the delicious tacos and burritos. And here you have perfectly seasoned, delicious vegetarian tacos and burritos. That's one awesome taco. You can really taste the seasoned tofu and the sauce. Delicious. We hope you enjoy watching our video. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.